Hello traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel, Trade with Bharat. So in this video, we'll have three sections. First one is analyzing what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. The second one is reviewing calls shared in Telegram channel. Third one is overview of shortlisted stock for next trading session. So first, let's start with Nifty. Nifty yesterday closed at 11,390 and today it opened around 11,245. So there was a gap created here. It was close to 75 points. So it was a gap down start. And based on this open price, we could conclude that it will be a flat market. So same thing I had posted in Twitter, saying that the initial thought as per the Nifty open is like it will be a flat market. Either one of them, either the buyer or the seller should trigger this move. So Nifty made a high of 11,345 almost at the end of the session, and Nifty low was 11,202. So the overall range from low to high is 122 points. So as stated in the last video, I had said that sellers had an upper hand because based on the structure, today it opened up gap down, and sellers could not push it much further lower. Neither a lot of buyers came in and they started observing whatever the sellers had sold here. Twice sellers had tried to push the market lower, but they could not push it. Sellers came and they took the market on the higher side, and also they closed at the highs of the day. So based on this overall structure of Nifty, we can say that tomorrow buyers will have upper hand in Nifty. My view will be like from neutral to bullish. And what should we expect? What level the buyers will come as? It will be around 11,330. That's it, somewhere here, or near the highs of the day. And Nifty will become weak below 11,230. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty now. So as per yesterday's close, Bank Nifty closed at 22,749 and it opened to 22,500. A gap of 249 points was created. And based on this, we could say, it was a gap down start, as well as based on the open price, we could say this is also kind of a flat market. But sellers took control in the initial first half an hour. They pushed the market lower. Again, slightly buyers came in. Again, sellers took control and they pushed the market lower till around 1 o'clock. And later on, nothing major activity happened and it started trading in a kind of a range bound market. So the high was like 22,575 and low 22,129. So the overall range of Bank Nifty was 446 points. So based on this structure, we can say that tomorrow buyers might not have that much of upper hand. It will be kind of like neutral or slightly bullish, like, or maybe buyers will have slight upper hand. That's it compared to the sellers, because I feel that here most of the selling things were absorbed by the buyers. So the levels to monitor tomorrow is for buyers is 22,450, somewhere around here, and for sellers 22,200. Below this, the market will become weaker. Okay, so let's second part, that is like reviewing the call shared in the Telegram channel. Had given 3 calls. First one is HDFC, second one is Power Grid, and third one is Maruti. So HDFC here, after open, it started slowly moving down. As per the call, not much points were gained because it was like kind of become zigzag movers here, and hardly could gain around 4 to 5 points here. And second one was Power Grid. Power Grid, market was volatile within the first 2 minutes, and the sell call was somewhere around here, 173.6. So whenever market moves very violently and it is near to the call, I would not recommend to initiate any call. So generally, when a call has to be initiated, means the market has to move kind of sideways like here, and then it should break out from the range. And whenever the market is moving like from a very distance push place, I would not recommend to initiate any calls. And same thing happened in the Maruti. The call was to initiate long above 7253.8. So it did not trigger any move here, as it was started trading in the range here. So based on the 3 calls, a couple of them were like okay, like 2 were like no trades, and 1 was like a trade in the HDFC. So 4.5 points we had gained. So moving on to third part, the watch list for tomorrow's trade. I have shortlisted 3. First one is Asian Paint. So here, if you observe that, it's moving in a narrow range market, and all the selling here, whatever happened, is being absorbed by the buyers, and they have pushed it little to the higher side. So as per Nifty is slightly bullish for tomorrow. If market starts trading above this level, 1990, you could see some short covering from these sellers, and it can push it on the higher side. So moving on to the second point is HDFC Life. Market HDFC did not move much. It traded in a very narrow range. Both buyers and sellers are present in the market. If you push onto the higher side, then the sellers will cover up and it will start moving on the higher side. If it goes below this point, then a lot of buyers who are bought here, they'll start closing the portion. So either way, we can initiate a trade. The third one is I've shortlisted as Biocon. Biocon was super bullish today, even though the market was down. So we can say that maybe tomorrow breaking on today's high, it can push to a much higher side. Okay, so for the entry and for the stop loss and number of shares to be bought will be shared in the Telegram channel, and Telegram channel link will be present in the description. Please refer to it. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe for daily analysis. Bye-bye.